previously on iGyaan.
There it is, guys. That's my new EQE SUV. And of course, we have to protect the entire car. So probably do a full PPF or a ceramic coat on this.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to iGyaan. In our last video, you saw the new EQE SUV. You can see it looks amazing with the lights on. But I made a mistake. It's been a few weeks since the car got delivered to me and I unwrapped everything, but I've been driving it all over the place. So naturally, I said that I want to do PPF on it. And my experience with the PPF on my Panamera was exceptional. So naturally, I'm sending the car to Steam and Shine, and they will take care of the EQE as well.
Congratulations, Bharat, on getting your new EQE. It looks lovely in this soda light blue color. But right now the car is pretty filthy, and what we need to do is wash it down first, because as you can see, there are a lot of specks and dust on it, including some bird droppings and all. So we have to get rid of this first to inspect the car, and then we'll be able to see how many scratches and swirl marks are there on the paint. Alright, the washing has been done, and now let's inspect the car and see what all defects are there on the paint. I can see clearly there's a huge scuff mark over here and here. These things usually happen when you buy a new car. You think that, it'll be flawless and everything, but it's not. Usually you'll get a lot of these small scratches and stuff. So I had sent this sample of satin PPF to Bharat to check if he likes it or not, but we both collectively decided that on this color, the gloss would look much better. The brand of PPF that we are using is called LLumar Valor, and more on that later. But right now, this car needs a lot of love and care. I need to get rid of all these scratches and make it look new again so we can apply PPF on it. So let's get started with that. ना लगे इसलिए इसको प्रोटेक्ट करा हुआ है ताकि ये खराब ना हो। Clients ask me if they should get PPF done instantly when they buy the car, or should they wait for some time and then get it done. The problem with waiting is that, as I showed you earlier, all these little stone chip marks on the bonnet, even though we've touched them up, but you can still see there's a little bit of trace of all of the stone chips. But it's looking much better than what it was before. Not 100%, but I would say about 80-90% it's there. When you buy a brand new car, just make sure that you get it protected as soon as possible. Otherwise, the more scratches you put on the paint, the more difficult it will be for us to rectify it, and it won't be up to 100% mark.
So right now I'm doing one of those things where I'm actually heading to do a surprise inspection of the EQE at Steam and Shine. So we're presently on the way in, of course, the Panamera Turbo over here, and this car is due for a little bit of a clean, a little bit of a detail. And so let's go do that, and I want to get some work done here on the chrome bits. So I want to do a quick visit and see if we can possibly get some work done. They're already shooting. There's also an EQS.
What's up? Here.
Oh my.
Thank you. Yes, of course. That's required.
What's up?
Nothing much. You tell me what's happening.
Are we going to hold the mics in our hand?
Yes. No, you actually just clip it in.
No. I will hold it.
Okay. I would touch you.
No touch. काम हो गया?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
I've come to check the car.
But you may have to go back because you haven't done anything yet.
I've also got some things
What?
that I want done on the car. I've got some stuff.
On this car?
No, on that car.
On that car? हाँ ठीक है.
But this is not my car.
No, that's not your car. We have two.
Why do you have two electric Mercedes?
The world is electrifying, dude.
Okay, I want to show you the stuff, but I also want to get some work done on this.
Let's see. Let's check out your car first.
So, what are we doing on this?
So,
What the hell is this?
so basically, all the chrome on the car, we are re-chroming it. It's called chrome delete. See, this is your chrome on the car that
Yeah.
goes like this, right?
Right.
This is the chrome part. Now
Right.
we've wrapped it in satin black.
Oh, nice.
So it looks very sleek,
Stealthy.
very elegant. By the way, we're also doing one more thing on your car.
What?
We're doing Chota PPF.
Chota PPF?
It's not Chota PPF. This is window film
Okay.
basically.
So, with this film, we're doing the windows, right?
We're doing the windows. We're also doing the front windshield.
Oh, so what
and
about
we're doing
bloom?
the rear
And the-
and the sunroof as well.
Sunroof also. But, like, if you do it on the front, I've seen bloom happen.
No, there won't be any bloom. It's a clear film. You
Okay.
won't even notice. But this film is only effective if you get the front as well.
Oh.
Because
Makes sense.
What, that's the biggest glass on the car, right?
Right.
So it gets a lot of heat from the front.
Right.
So you have to get this on all the glass area.
So, the entire glass will be covered in this.
every
And it's completely clear.
completely clear.
So, there are no issues of those kinds.
Hopefully not. See,
Okay.
if somebody wants to create issue, they can create issue even if they have
Okay.
everything.
But, like, because it's clear, so there can't be any real
yeah,
issue.
exactly.
Okay, so I have a problem then.
What?
I have a Panamera Turbo, which we are doing the chrome delete in right now. It also has glass, a lot of glass,
Yeah.
and I want to do this on that also.
So let's do one thing. Next week.
No, bro, today.
No, bro.
Bro, come
I
on.
said earlier. Please understand.
Bro, if anyone can do it, Sunny can do it. Sunny, come on.
Please
Come on.
understand.
We'll convince him. So we are doing the film, the clear film, what is it called? Air series. So we are doing the Air series film on the EQE completely in the glass, on the sunroof, on the front screen, on the back screen. We are doing a complete PPF on the entire car, which is just like the Panamera, but instead of the Panamera's Platinum PPF, we are doing Valor PPF, which is better. It is ceramic infused and has better gloss. Because it is ceramic infused, it has better hydrophobic capabilities, so it will repel water. We'll show you a demonstration of that as well. And we are doing this on the Panamera also. And we're doing the chrome delete on the EQE. So there's lots of stuff that's happening. We'll show you the cars when they're done. Let's get into it.
1 minute later.
As you can see, the Air series film is being installed right now, and I hope that it will improve heat rejection, because I'm looking forward to it. It's already getting really hot in Delhi, and so this entire car is mostly glass, so they're going to cover the entire glass and add heat rejection with this clear film that is being installed as we speak. And earlier he said no, but he's doing it. So if anyone can do it, who can do it? Sunny can do it. Now, Air 80 film is phenomenal. It's already really hot in Delhi. I'm sweating, as you can see. And this is something that this film will prevent, because the film is clear. It has a nice blue hue to it, which matches with the car. And this blue hue also prevents the car from getting hot. And this improves not only the air conditioning, because typically you have to have curtains and you have to have your sunroof, sort of moonroof closed. The fact that it prevents heat from coming in will also prevent the dashboard from delaminating. This is a problem that happens with leather. And it will also prevent plastics from getting ruined or your seat leather from getting ruined. So the film is good for that, but in general, the biggest advantage is that you don't heat up. The car doesn't heat up when you park it in direct sunlight.
So one very important thing that most people ignore is that all these edges where the PPF is ending, this needs to be tucked inside completely so that there's no edge on the outside which can come off eventually while cleaning or something. So this is a very important step. Never forget to tuck your PPF in.
Now, what we are installing on the EQE is the LLumar Valor PPF. This is their flagship PPF. This is actually above the Platinum PPF we got on the Panamera Turbo. And this one has a 12-year warranty, whereas the Platinum one has a 10-year warranty. Valor also has something really interesting. It has ceramic infused into the PPF, which makes the PPF naturally hydrophobic. Traditionally, when you get PPF in the market, you have to do some sort of coating on it to make it more hydrophobic or make it look really nice and glossy. With Valor, it'll happen naturally because there is ceramic infused and you don't need to get any additional coating on it. Also, it is not recommended typically to get any kind of ceramic on top of the PPF because it ruins the flexibility of the PPF. So this way, I don't need to get anything else on the PPF and it will protect my car and it'll look good doing it.
So finally, your car is ready.
Are you sure this is my car?
This is your car, and
Okay.
Let's take the covers off.
I love the matte black, bro. I love the matte black. Amazing. I mean, not that there's a lot of difference because PPF is clear,
Yeah.
but the black. So guys, we've turned this. This was all chrome if you see in the before shots. It's all now satin matte black. Sort of, I wanted to do the other stuff also, this, but unfortunately it's not feasible. But we look at doing something else on it. We've got LLumar's Valor PPF, which is ceramic infused. It is extremely hydrophobic and it looks amazing because it is now, the car is completely detailed. All the scratches and the imperfections, especially from the bonnet, are gone. So it looks amazing there. And the black, so if you see the chrome below the front as well as the plates on the back, the scuff plates, they're all now matte black, which looks fantastic. And as always, Steam & Shine has done a fantastic job. And because of the whole summer thing happening in Delhi, we've already got heat resistant glass now, clear film on all glass. So hopefully the air conditioning turns out better, right?
Yeah.
So you've got
You'll get 100 meters extra.
100 meters extra on the battery life. But we've got LLumar's Air Series film on all the glass and also on the Panamera. And we've got LLumar PPF on the Panamera, which is the Platinum PPF. And on this, we've got the Valor PPF, which looks, it's definitely glossier. So if you're going in for PPF, you can definitely pick Valor. If you don't want to worry about the PPF getting watermarks or getting dull over time, this one is fantastic.
So here's your key, Bharat. Enjoy your drive.
Thank you.
And we've also cleaned the interior. So everything is spick and span on the inside.
I'm dying because it is 10 p.m. and the car is being delivered to me and I have to come.
It's
back
not
for it.
my fault. When
For
we
it
get
to be
very
rechecked. It's been 2 weeks.
when we get very picky customers, we can't do much.
2 weeks.
1 week and 7 days. Maybe.
1 week and 7 days. Yeah, so inside,
Yeah, we
have
cleaned the
you
interior.
done all the stuff?
Yeah.
Which will also protect the leather.
Yeah, because see,
It prevents heat from going.
Exactly.
So that protects the leather, and then we've got a
not
leather
just leather,
protector.
it'll also protect your vinyl on the inside. If there's any vinyl, any plastic parts, everything will be protected with this.
And then now we've also got a protector on the leather as well.
On the leather as well, yes.
So then that will also protect the leather.
Exactly, because
Fantastic.
you have a white interior, it's very difficult to maintain. So
I don't know
make
what they were thinking with the interior. White, India, white.
it on a SUV.
On an SUV, white. Imagine if I go off-roading in this. I'm not doing it. But imagine if I did. White, interior, crazy. But it looks good. Looks amazing, Sunny.
Thank you.
So now I'm going to drive my car out so you can get the shots of me driving out. But more importantly, thank you to Steam & Shine. As always, all my cars come here. If you guys want any work done, we'll have their links in the description below. Thank you to Blue Fox Media, because this entire video has been shot, edited, and whatever you're seeing has been done by Blue Fox Media. So if there's any problem, it's their fault. But if you like the video, it's their fault. You like the video. Their details are also in the description below. And LLumar for their PPF, both the Platinum and the Valor, I absolutely love both of them. This one is looking extra shiny. Let's see how long it lasts. But this is also hydrophobic. I love it. And also the air film, which is on all the glass on the Panamera, as well as the EQE, which should help with the Indian Delhi heat. So I'll see you guys later. Now for the shots.